Here's how you can screen record on a laptop. Let's go. Press Windows, Shift, and R. Then highlight the portion of the screen that you would like to record. You can toggle on or off your microphone and desktop audio for the recording. Then hit record. Once you're all done, click on stop. And look at that. There's your screen recording.
Thanks, Kevin. And for those like me that needed this free tool, here's how you find the content you just captured. Go to your search bar and type in screen recording, then just double-click on the file you created. Now you're ready to add it to your video editor of choice. Lastly, don't forget to give credit where credit is due, just like I mentioned Kevin for using his video.